name is Lolo. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It's low-key been a minute since I've been here, but girl, I had to take to YouTube to tell you guys about Nova Beauty. Look at this, you guys. It's literally the length of my arm. I'm excited to film this video for you guys today. I love Fashion Nova. This cute little sparkly top is in fact from Fashion Nova. So I know Fashion Nova has like a beauty section on their website, but they finally launched their own brand. This first launch, honey, is all about the lips. Look at this. Look. But literally we have 26 lipsticks, 12 lip glosses, and 10 lip liners. So lip game set for life, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Nova Beauty and all of these amazing lip goodies. I'm going to be swatching them for you. And then towards the end of the video, I am going to be trying a few lip combos, putting them on, seeing how they feel, all that good stuff. So if you want to see all about Nova Beauty, please keep on watching. I want to start out with this beautiful packaging. Everything is Fashion Nova, Nova Beauty branded with the black and white. Look at this huge mirror that's inside the box. This is the Snatched lip liner. It has a color band around the top so you know what color you are picking up. Each lip liner has a little brush at the end so you can clean up your lips. And it comes in 10 shades. There's Nude 1, Nude 2, Pink Nude 1, Coral, Magenta, Red 1, Red 2, Brown 1, and Brown 2. Let's move on to Nova Beauty lipsticks. Each lipstick has a color marker on the bottom, and it comes in 26 shades. We have Rosette, Extra, Blaze, 100, Flare, Reset, Divine, Whoa, Vibe, Indulgence, Cutie, Dream, OG, Baby Girl, Day Trip, Royalty, Sequin, Napa, Lavish, Poppin', Heaven, Attached, Tone, Pleasure, Real, and Days. Finally, we have these amazing glosses. There's Thick, Thirsty, If You Know You Know, Tea, Select, Paloma, Fire, Sauce, Dime, Moody, and No Cap. So those are all the swatches. Let's move into some lip combos. Let's start with Pink Nude 02. This is the lip liner. Look at that tip. Almost like a diamond type of shape. So let's jump on in. And don't mind me, I have a little bit of breakout here and of course here, and of course I'm filming something to do with lips today, but I really love this diamond type of tip. It was so easy to get like a super precise line. Very, very creamy. It glided on so easy. And I can totally see myself wearing this shade like every day. This again is Pink Nude in 02. So I feel like this color Poppin' might look good with this lip liner. So let's open this up for you. Classic lipstick shape. Top it off with the Tea gloss. This gloss feels really nice. I love how shiny and glittery this is with just a hint of the pigment. I could totally see myself wearing this as like an everyday classic type of lip. I love these kind of pinky nudes. Those are my favorite like go-to shades. So cute. So once again, we went in with the Pink Nude pencil, the Poppin' lipstick, and then the Tea lip gloss. Okay, let's try one of these purpley ones. This is Magenta 01. Isn't a color I would normally like go for in the store, but after putting it on right now, it's cute. I also forgot to mention that all of these products are cruelty-free and vegan. Go Nova. I'm gonna leave the Magenta on, and let's go in with Royalty. This looks like, ooh. After 2 coats, the magenta is completely covered by this Royalty deep purpley color. So let me just swatch it for you really quick. Since I put it over the magenta, I do want you to see the true color. There's the true color. This is really pretty. I'm gonna go wipe this off and let's keep moving. Let's do another fun one, and this bright orangey one has been catching my eye. It is Reset, the color Reset. We already did a lip liner on its own. Let's do a lipstick on its own and see how it looks. Lipstick on its own is very buttery, creamy, waxy, wearable. I think this would be really, really pretty as an eyeliner too. We've done some of the fun ones. Let's bring it down and go back to some of the more neutrals. I'm also really interested in seeing what these glosses are all about. This is Brown in 01. No Cap gloss. Ooh. I feel really cute in this combo. This is Paloma Gloss. We haven't done a gloss on its own yet. I thought this is such a pretty color. Totally see myself wearing this like at the beach this summer, hopefully when I'm a bit more tan. I'm gonna stop talking now and I'm just gonna go through and swatch a few more because we still have a bunch to get through. So that is it for my review on Nova Beauty. So much fun. These colors are so fun. If you want to get your hands on some Nova Beauty, check out the description below for launch date and more details. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really supports this channel. And also follow me on TikTok at Lolo The Show. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next one.